Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a get ready with me. I haven't done this in a long time. I want to try this new Fenty skin product that I bought. Hydrovisor Invisible Moisturizer with Broad Spectrum 30. Guess I'll give it at least a week of using it to give you my full review on it. It doesn't feel oily. That's a plus. It does feel moisturizing. This from Merit for under my eyes because it's a bit more like moisturizing. I know some people like really get technical of like how they apply their concealer. I just, went back to using this brush. This is the one from Real Techniques, is the Expert Face Brush. I almost forgot the name because that's how long I haven't used it. I don't know seriously what I did with my sponges, all my makeup sponges, but this is amazing. I'm gonna use my Forever Dior Matte Foundation, the shade 1.5N. You know what? With this foundation, I've gotten so dirty. Like the way this comes out, like be careful. It just flew everywhere. So I'm just gonna apply this. This foundation does oxidize, so keep that in mind. Set it with this powder. This is what I don't like about like packaging that comes like this. I don't know what it's called, but it gets so filthy. This is the IT Cosmetics by Pores Pressed Powder in translucent. This is what it looks like. It'll definitely tone down the color a little bit. I'm not gonna bore you with my brows. I'll fast forward that, but I think I'm the only one that still uses a brow pomade. Like seriously, everybody else uses pencils, and I have to get these eyebrows touched up badly. It's been like more than 2 years, and you can tell they're like super fading away. Dip pomade in blonde, by the way. Bronzer is this one from Fenty Beauty. This is the color In the Sun Sunstalker Warmth Bronzer. It's very light, very light. I would have liked a shade darker. Just like to contour a bit. I feel like these brows are looking very bold. And the light is making my hair look like this weird color. I promise my hair is not whatever color is showing up. That is so weird. I have this little Nars Orgasm blush. I'm still thinking, what am I gonna do for my eyes? What can I do? I'm so happy that my dog is sleeping right now. I hope he doesn't wake up because he'll start like coughing and coughing like crazy. Poor thing, he's very old. It's time for the eyes. I really want to use this. This is like one of my newest palettes and I absolutely love it. This is the one from Lawless, is the Glam one. It's a mini palette. I like this brush so much because I don't know, I feel like the shape, I don't find a lot of them like this. Luxie, this is the 237 blending brush and the color is so cute, right? Start with this shade here. Okay, taking this shade here, and I'm just gonna like put it in the crease area, back and forth, and then I like to start going in here like this. And I don't like to just leave it like this because you see the way my eye is shaped, if I look forward, you can't see anything. It completely disappears, okay? I don't like that. So I just blend it up a bit. So first I apply it here in the crease and then I start working my way up. So this shade is not supposed to be too intense or too out there. It's just, that's just like our base. And I want to do this dark shade here. Okay, same brush. For here, I want to like try to place it carefully. It's best if you switch brushes there and just like kind of work it in. What I'm trying to do is leave the center, even if we cover it a little, it doesn't matter. We're gonna put some concealer after, but I'm trying to do like a halo look. This thing is fabulous. This is the It Cosmetics full coverage waterproof concealer. So I switched to this brush. You see it's a flat brush, not fluffy at all. Just gonna squeeze some of this here. It goes a long way. That's like a lot. Place this in the middle. Just place it softly like that, and then you can spread it. Use this color here. In this brush is from the brand MOTD Pigment Packer. Another flat brush. I'm gonna start placing it. I'm just like patting it. Now what we're gonna do is blend this, blend the color in, so you're not gonna have these harsh lines, right? Because right now it's like, yeah, that is not cute. So that's what we're gonna do. This color here. Start blending here. You don't want to go all the way in, but just like start placing it and going inward, and then you're also going to do like circular motions. Very small circular motions. It's much nicer than this harsh here. You want to take your finger, go over the shade, the sparkly shade, and you're going to place it in the middle again. And you're using your finger because it just makes this color pop so much more than going with the brush. The brush is for like precision. So I want to take this shade here and tap off the excess, and I'm gonna blend that like up here, just so that doesn't look like bare. Now let me do this eye. Okay, so now I just want to like clean up a bit. This is the brush I applied my foundation with. So I'm just going around. If you use shadow shields, even better. Eyeliner from Maybelline is their Hyper Easy eyeliner. Elf eye crease brush. It's just like a circle. I really like it to like put it in the inner corner. Take this from Merit Lava Highlighter Balm. That's what it looks like. I think they have two different shades. Take this small brush, just go like this, place it in this corner. Falsies Lash Lift. This is waterproof, of course, because if you watch me, you know that's the only thing I use. Beautiful hourglass shape. I am gonna apply falsies, but before that I am going to put this lipstick. Just found it yesterday in my makeup stash, and I was like, oh my god, I need to use this every day. And I'm not really like a everyday lipstick wearer. Color's just everything that I look for. This is the Maybelline 699 More Buff. Okay. A tissue. So it's just like the bare minimum is left. I think it feels beautiful on the lips. I didn't put on the lashes from Eyelure, and I'll be back with this hair done as well. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Just zoom in so you can see it. Let me know if you want me to do more tutorials for you. Leave a playlist of other tutorials that I have done. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Bye!